Namaste friends. Today we are going to see how to make my grandma's elixir, which is Matrukaamruta Paaneeyam, which I had introduced to you with few modifications earlier. This drink is very good to maintain our overall health, and the method of preparing this recipe is also very easy. We just need 6 ingredients to prepare this recipe. The ingredients are jaggery, a small piece, powdered rock sugar, 3 glasses, rock salt, a pinch, lemon or lime juice, 2 glasses, ginger juice, 3 glasses, and water, just in little quantity added to ginger to extract the ginger juice. And now the procedure. First of all, extract the juice of fresh ginger and lemon or lime juice and keep them ready. We would require 3 glasses of ginger juice and 2 glasses of powdered rock sugar. Take a clean vessel and add the ginger juice and powdered rock sugar into it. Now we place this mixture on the stove and boil on medium flame. We need to mix the mixture well. We can even add a small piece of jaggery to get a nice red color. After 10 to 15 minutes, the mixture will get a little thick. Now reduce the flame. At this point, we will add the lemon or lime juice to the mixture. Again, we mix the contents well. We shall add a little rock salt as per taste. After 5 minutes, we can switch off the stove. Now our grandma's elixir or Matrukaamruta Paaneeyam is ready. Once the syrup cools down, we can store it in a glass bottle. Consume a teaspoon of this syrup early morning 10 to 15 minutes before breakfast. Taking this syrup in the mentioned manner would help to reduce morning sickness, nausea, improve appetite, digestion, even autoimmune conditions like diabetes, arthritis, and even respiratory disorders. We can even consume this syrup anytime during the day. So make this wonderful syrup, which is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds, and enjoy its benefits. Thank you.